geithie mami ni akugirite ndimugeithie muno mami eri muru na cece mukuru ini maikarite thi mathikiririe koguo ndamageithio haria mari na andu azima mani
cece anyota gwatia
cece itwetagwo Wangui
haria ni niguo ndu mamenye niwe wageithia
Wangui kana sweet kana nyina agita etagwo sweet ni rika yake etene ni wakuria kanyagia kinuri mukuru ini ni na andu azima mani tondu aria ni andu akwa ni ngirikiria ngoda ku echo kiria atwira at young people should realize siasa kana politics ni ratukoni ithu ta young people twitagia muno ni undu we say politics is for the old people no hindi ria turathi maandamano ri tutionaga mami maandamano ni ithu tuthiaga ni ithu tuhinyagwo na rucio ni rwitu na rwa ciana citu kogo gwenda ni kyo gwenda kuria young people o haria mari mundu wothe ukinyitie miaka 18 no nginya amenye ni mundu mugima and it is your responsibility to make the wrongs right. Ona ore ore shagura kana ki no nginya mundu munini akoro na uge tutingitikira ringi tugacaguragirwo atongoria ni awakarindi na ari angi mundu ina miaka 50 mundu no tiwetikira andu anene kana andu aria mathiangite andu aria mena indo ati acio nio mari tubangaga ati Githaiga nie ndrero kanitha-ini Talanta Stadium ni rauta wira na demo yuthi handu handi mirore na ndore auditor report. Actually there is no need to pay influencers to tell us which project is working because we are supposed to see it by eyes. Tunafaa tuone na auditor general nafaa kutuambia hapa hakuna pesa imeibiwa. No tungikaigwa muhuje na watu Talanta Stadium ni njegari na milioni 10 ciathiiri tugakorwo na nganja. Young people, it is time they take responsibility. Take your kura na tukiambia mweli uyu ungi ni uga turacokerera. That will be our first agenda. Ati tuguthiururuka bururi uyu o tore tuthiururuka gutwara ciana ari angi thibitari tuguthiururuka kwira young people ni moe kura ni undu rucio rungi tutikwenda kucanga tutware andu India twina thibitari guku. We want to equip our hospitals, we want to make it better, but young people must be involved. Tondu nturona ona moya iti haria whichever channels tuko nazo, Twitter, TikTok, tuki raise our voices, they are dismissed. Yet young people make 70% of the population of Kenya. And tomorrow belongs to them.
Thank you. Mnapenda Sifuna?
Mimi ni Sifuna. Mimi ni Sifuna.
Sisi ndio Sifuna.